You ever wondered how to find the missing length of a right triangle? We have your answer.
In mathematics, the Pythagorean Theorem is a fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry among the three sides of a right triangle. It states that the square of the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides.
The Pythagorean theorem is a special case of a more general equation, the cosine law, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c.
C represents the hypotenuse, most commonly the missing length, and A and B representing the lengths of the other two sides of the right triangle. The definition of a cosine. The cosine of an angle is the length of the adjacent divided by the length of the hypotenuse. The abbreviation is cosine theta, which is the angle, equals adjacent over hypotenuse.
For any triangle with sides of length A, B, and C, and with C the angle opposite the side with length C, c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine C.
To find the cosine of angle C, you would do the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. If the angle is not 90 degrees, you end up with something where the two squares don't add up to the third. For example, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Are 3, 4, and 5 when the angle is 90 degrees. But if you make the triangle 77.36 degrees, then the side lengths become 4, 4, and 5. And 4 squared plus 4 squared does not equal 5 squared.
However, these numbers are right, and the cosine law can figure out the long side by c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. C squared equals 4 squared plus 4 squared minus 4 parentheses cosine 77.36. C squared equals 16 plus 16 minus 32 cosine 77.36. C squared 32 minus 7, c squared 25, c equaling 5. Such as, for the right triangle, we can use the cosine law to figure out what the angle is by using c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c, c squared minus 4 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 parentheses 3 parentheses 4 cosine c, 25 equaling 9 plus 16 minus 24 cosine c, 25 minus 9 minus 16 equals negative 24 cosine c, going to 0 equals cosine c, which means that 90 equals c.
Although the cosine law works for the non-right triangle, only the Pythagorean theorem works for right triangles. Here is a problem. One side is 3 units and the other side is 4 units, and we are trying to find the hypotenuse. And it's a right angle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared, so that would be c squared equals 9 plus 16. C squared equals 25, so that means c is 5. Working backwards to